Alright everybody, we were looking at getting some scissors lifts to do some work on the airplanes that we work on here, and we stumbled across some B4 maintenance platforms. So I wanted to show you what they look like and what some of the features are. So these are towable maintenance stands. They have the safety rails and a safety door that does lock. There's a little pin here, allows it to open. Okay, and then we can fit foam on here basically to protect it from bumping against anything. There's a couple main reasons that we got these. One, we were looking at scissors lifts, but thought if one of the hydraulic lines ever goes, that it could drop down basically on that delta fin, and that would be incredibly bad. Like I said, these are towable. They have a pintle hitch hookup in the front, and that just has a simple latch right on the other side of here. Basically spring loaded, you just push it down and the pintle hitch drops. And I think there's also a pintle hitch point right here on the bottom of the steps, so you can hook them together. The pump is incredibly simple. It's just a hand pump. It's a single line -5 line that weaves down through to this actuator. The wheels each have their own individual caster, which you can see here. This is, you can turn this pin and it locks it in. Turn it sideways and the wheel will swivel side to side. You can see that swivels, and then if I pull it, there we go, locks right into place. Alright, let's see if we can go over some specs here. So, as you can see along this upper rail, there's a row of pins. At different heights, you can set the pin in to keep it from drifting if the hydraulics ever did have an issue. So when we're up over our delta fins, we're actually able to lock the pins and even release all the pressure, and it would still stay in place. The wheels each individually lock by these foot tabs right here, and they hold incredibly well. I'll be right back with you once I get this thing jacked up so you can see what it looks like at the full height, and I'll have some more specs. Alright, I'm back with you. There it is at full height. So the base length between the wheels here is 92.2 inches. The width on the rear wheels is 52.3 inches. So ladder mounted, it slides internally in the rails. Here, let's see if I can get a better shot of that. This just slides up and down in there. So no matter what point you're at, you still have the ladder to climb up. Platform length, which is that point right there, 77.6 inches and 36 inches wide. Minimum height when lowered is 3 feet, should be all the way down, and maximum height raised is 7 feet to that, basically the base of this platform right there. The rated load capacity is 500 pounds, and the total weight of this is approximately 550 pounds. Maximum towing speed is 5 miles per hour, like if you had it hooked up to a tug. And I think that's pretty much it with them. Let me see if I can give you a better shot with the... So there's that single line, and it just weaves right down through here, through the scissors, around straight down to the actuator. It's a very simple system. To release the platform, all that you need to do to hold pressure or release pressure is that little lever right there on the pump. Hope this was helpful.